Theta value equivalent to 17.7118 rands a coin. The present cost range 17.6341 to 17.8384. The earlier day close 17.6189. The change was plus 0.0929, plus 0.53%. Converse rate, ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 17.17 rands, high 18.37, low 15.97. Theta gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost 17.39 rands, high 18.61, low 16.17. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 16.97 rands, high 18.16, low 15.78. Theta gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost 17.38 rands, high 18.60, low 16.16. Theta cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost 17.43 rands, high 18.65, low 16.21. In multi-week Theta gauge on Monday, May 15, cost 17.43 rands, high 18.65, low 16.21. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost 16.72 rands, high 17.89, low 15.55. Theta gauge on Wednesday, May 17, cost 17.08 rands, high 18.28, low 15.88. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost 17.18 rands, high 18.38, low 15.98. Theta gauge on Friday, May 19, cost 17.47 rands, high 18.69, low 16.25. In about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost 16.99 rands, high 18.18, low 15.80. Theta estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost 17.28 rands, high 18.49, low 16.07. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, May 24, cost 16.98 rands, high 18.17, low 15.79. Theta estimate on Thursday, May 25, cost 16.53 rands, high 17.69, low 15.37. Theta cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost 17.55 rands, high 18.78, low 16.32. In 3 weeks Theta estimate on Monday, May 29, cost 16.90 rands, high 18.08, low 15.72. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost 15.60 rands, high 16.69, low 14.51. Theta estimate on Wednesday, May 31, cost 14.03 rands, high 15.01, low 13.05. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost 15.26 rands, high 16.33, low 14.19. Theta estimate on Friday, June 2, cost 15.30 rands, high 16.37, low 14.23. In about a month Theta cost forecast on Monday, June 5, cost 15.30 rands, high 16.37, low 14.23. Theta figure on Tuesday, June 6, cost 15.53 rands, high 16.62, low 14.44. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset cost at 18.06 rands, excessive cost 20.59, while low cost 13.05. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.43. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 14.03, change for May 22.3%. Theta figure for June 2023, initially cost at 14.03 rands, excessive cost 18.05, while low cost 10.96. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.71. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 11.79, change for June 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for July 2023, initially cost at 11.79 rands, excessive cost 12.29, while low cost 10.69. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 11.57. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 11.49, change for July 2.5%. Theta figure for August 2023, initially cost at 11.49 rands, excessive cost 11.49, while low cost 9.60. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.73. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 10.32, change for August 10.2%. Theta cost expectation for September 2023, initially cost at 10.32 rands, excessive cost 12.73, while low cost 10.32. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 11.32. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 11.90. Change for September 15.3%. Theta figure for October 2023. Before all else cost at 11.90 rands. Excessive cost 14.77. While low cost 11.90. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.09. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 13.80. Change for October 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at 13.80 rands. Excessive cost 13.80, while low cost 10.78. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.49. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 11.59. Change for November 16.0%. Theta figure for December 2023. Before all else cost at 11.59 rands. Excessive cost 11.59. While low cost 9.06. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.50. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 9.74. Change for December 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at 9.74 rands. Excessive cost 11.42, while low cost 9.74. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.39. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 10.67. Change for January 9.5%. Theta gauge for February 2024. In the first place cost at 10.67 rands. Exorbitant cost 11.24, while low cost 9.77. The found the middle value of cost 10.55. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 10.50. Change for February 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 10.50 rands. Exorbitant cost 10.50, while low cost 8.71. The found the middle value of cost 9.77. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 9.37. Change for spring 10.8%. Theta gauge for April 2024. In the first place cost at 9.37 rands. Exorbitant cost 11.44, while low cost 9.37. The found the middle value of cost 10.22. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 10.69. Change for April 14.1%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 10.69 rands. Exorbitant cost 10.69, while low cost 9.25. The found the middle value of cost 10.15. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 9.95. Change for May 6.9%. ZAR to Theta swapping scale equivalent to 0.0565 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.0561 minus 0.0567. The earlier days nearby 0.0568. Change for now 0.0003, 0.53%. ZAR to Theta cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month.